abangani nabangane lapho sikhulume zabantu yabe segudwini egudwini.
Zimbabwe, hello Bulawayo. This is Enkundlane exclusive. It's a special episode brought to you by Dep3 Events. So my name is Nondito Zongube, and tonight we are at Bulawayo Art Gallery. Sizobukela a film, Sizolobola. It's a film from what we've been seeing online. It's a film which centers on marriage and the concept of lobola. So it features the big names in Zimbabwe. We've got the likes of Umadlela, we've got the likes of Exalt Ngube, we've got Madam Boss, amongst others. So stay tuned as I speak to some of the people that came to watch this beautiful, beautiful movie. So guys, tonight ngilo the one and only Kalanga Lenkos. Ushap.
Ushap sisinjani?
Iskibat.
Sithi uzogeza amehlo.
Sizogeza amehlo sizolobola. Sizolobola.
Hopefully siyaphuma lo makoto ovuthiwe.
Did you see the trailer?
Yeah, I did.
You did. You liked it
very much.
So what are you looking forward to?
More and much more. Yes,
okay. All right. Ayisiyabonga ukuthi ubuyile namhlanje.
Ayisiyabonga.
Thank you so much.
Sibonga ukuthi sathola ithuba lokunxusa.
Auntie phela. Ayisiyabonga. Thank you. So we are back again. Ushap. Akunjeni sizolobola. Inxa kuthiwa sizolobola wena what comes to your mind?
Mina makuthiwa sizolobola emuntwini oyindoda vele makusiya lotshola vele hey
sicabanga ukukhipha imali.
Cabanga ukukhipha imali ya ukuphuma something sabe sikhala ke bungadlalo.
Okay, so it's actually quite nice to see you here tonight.
All right.
Akunjela ukuthi wena kahle kahle uthe ugeza usiba muhle kuya lapha usithi uzobukela usizolobola into awukazi uyibukela. What do you expect from the film? What ukhangeleleni?
Mina like njengobhuti la mosa mfuku uzobona ukulotsholwa njani.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much.
Ukulotsholwa njani angalobola ancinga engakhipha kancane but hayi
ngalozo ungabona lawo ngama tactics.
Ubona ama tactics akho ukuthi kanti uyohamba kanjani. Yeah.
Nice. All right. Thanks so much. Hey. So we are back again with the man himself, the man who made this night possible. I think is the major guy tonight. I'm with Mr. Manuel Matsinye. Am I right?
Yes.
Yes, and he's the director. He was the director, writer and director of Sizolobola. Guys, I don't know. It's quite interesting, and because I've been seeing the hype online, and I picked up that it's a film that looks on issues to do with marriage and ulobola and stuff like that. So I just wanted to know, okay, how did this come about?
Right, I won't take much of the credit in terms of the story itself. The story was conceptualized by my good friend Mutusi Bindlovu, known as Magela Skobogobo, a very popular man in this part of the world.
Yeah.
So he called me and said, Manuel, I've got this story here. Are you able to develop it into a proper concept and then into a proper screenplay so that we can shoot it? So our vision with Sizolobola basically is to bring the Shona and the Ndebele together, right? Because for a long time, there's always been misconception about the relationship that exists between the Shona and the Ndebele after what happened in the past. We're dating back as far as 1834, when whatever happened. And then the Shona have got this thing saying they took our women, they took our cattle, they killed our people and so on. And the Ndebele also have got this issue that in 1984 things happened here. So we said, what can probably bring two groups together? And we realized that love could do that. And then hence we came up with a story that, and the Ndebele guy comes to marry a Shona lady. And then the chaos starts from there. So they have to find each other, It's a clash of cultures, a clash of traditions. Yeah, very exciting film. And I hope Zimbabwe's going to love it.
I can't wait to watch it as well. And then, like, when you were writing, can you tell me, out of all the characters, just tell me which character was most difficult to build, to create, to write about? Which one?
I'm sure the villain, the general, because I had to create a man who was very difficult, a man who's hard, a man who's probably hot-headed, because the story centers around remember what happened in the past. So we wanted to create a character who then warms up because of love. Because when this character disturbs what's about to happen, when they want to marry, he says, no, I don't want my daughter to get married to a Ndebele guy. Why? Don't ask me. He's thinking of things that happened in the past. He bears a scar. The scar that he bears was actually headed through the issues that happened here in 1984. So he's got that with him. But also on the other side, Magela feels that he's aggrieved because his parents were murdered during the Gukurahundi era. So they clash because of that. So the marriage has difficulties. And these two innocent people or lovebirds who are in love, they want just to get together and marry. They're saying, but we're not there when these things happen. What are you guys doing? So that chaos, after all that chaos, then they have to find each other. So our story is driven by love, because we need just to bring unity, peace, togetherness. Right? That's what we seek to achieve with this film. Zimbabweans, we are one people. Whether you're Ndebele, you're Shona, you're Tonga, you're Kalanga, we are all Zimbabweans. Yes, that's the message.
Wow, that's quite emotional. That's quite emotional. But thank you so much for making tonight possible. And I'm actually anxiously waiting to watch the movie. And I'm hoping people in Bulawayo are also going to watch it, even people that didn't come here tonight. So thank you so much.
Yeah, they can catch the film on AfriCine streaming platform. It's going to be from here. The film is going to go on AfriCine streaming platform. So it's going to be there for Zimbabweans to watch, for everyone, even Zimbabweans in the diaspora. Anyway that you are, even you're in America, you can watch Sizo Lobola on AfriCine, yes.
Wow.
And then this is the first of the many projects that we are working on is AfriCine. AfriCine is a new baby, and Sizo Lobola is its first project. Right now we're working also on a film called Magela Heisenbare. I'm told that you did Magela in Comes Home.
Magela Comes Home, yes.
So we picked out from what you did.
That's amazing. I'm actually waiting for that one as well.
Yes.
I'm waiting for that one as well. So thank you so much for tonight, and please do enjoy, even though it's your baby.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, thanks so much.
So our episode this evening is Kiss Them Besachisa. Swathole just after the performance, and right now a stunning performance by Upila. I've been all the way from Kautova. Kachana brala bovela.
Hey, accepteni, bro, accepteni. Yeah, kachana kakhulu.
Usuke esigaba.
I think ngisuke ngo-1. Ngisuke ngo-1. Umshovo wabhoda udinga abantu for 30 minutes. Sabotshwa ebridgini lapha. Sabotshwa ebridgini basikhipha. Satshintshela kwenye imoto. Bari ngifikile. Sebenzeke imoto.
Congratulations, you made it.
Yeah, we made it.
Kuhamba njani la? Thina sipomba ukubuya kodwa ngena manje kumnandi la. So what's happening here?
Yeah, sizoxhasa umfowethu Charles Mahlaba is launching i-album lakhe elitsha cha, you understand. So besizomsupporta and it's really fun. Njengoba ubona la abantu bakhona, ngiyabona lamakhiwa. Angazi ukuthi bayizwe ukuthi sihlabelele.
Baba nebekita kube babekolisa beat kube. Bese emaweni.
Yeah, they are really enjoying. But anyway, it's fun, you understand. Siya enjoy kakhulu. Into eyenziwe nguMahlaba, it's really nice. uMahlaba is an amazing artist. Umculo wakhe uauthentic, understand? Ngumculo lwana ukuthi ma ulalele awufikelwa ngumcabango ukuthi kulelinye artist elalihlabela so but nguye yedwa uzenzela into yakhe that is unique, that is nice, and I think ama artists that are unique yiwo at the end of the day aba successful because they are bringing something new to the audience, you understand? Yeah.
Right, massive turnout namhlanje ngike ngachecka kugcwele and lihlala sithi aba support. Liyasixolisa yini kube liyasithiya sinjalo?
Angizake ngithi abasupport. Angizake ngithi abasupport. Audience yethi abantu bekobulawa abasupport, you understand? So the people who attend ama events ethu, they are the ones abathi no abantu abasupport because they are expecting to see abantu abafika 1000 because lapha I think we have got about 400 300 abantu, understand? So abantu babefise ukuthi sifike ku 1000 but kancane siyafika because i300 zona lezi ezibuye ukuzosupporta uCharles Mahlaba. It's a lot, understand? It shows ukuthi useyakhe i-community yakhe akhula layo, you understand? And I think ephinda futhi next time kebe kuyi 600 abantu ababe kuyile because umculo wakhe uauthentic, umnandi and usha live, understand? Into enhle kakhulu, yeah.
And bengisemuva ngale ngikitha kakhulu when you're performing. So was staging right now and the response was massive and people were singing along to your songs. Kuchoni kuwe lokho, watching everyone getting up and singing along, vele usungkhwaya master.
Yeah. I think it shows ukuthi abantu bakithi they are now ready to support umculo wakithi. What we just need to do is to make sure ukuthi siyabapha abakufunayo, sibe consistent, sikhuphe umculo quality, lama visuals, i-branding yethu ibe more appealing, you understand? Because they are not going to support us out of sympathy ukuthi bayasizwela because they are now used to quality stuff from South Africa, America, Nigeria, understand? So kumele lathi sithi up standard sethu because abantu bakithi they are now ready to support umculo wakithi. That's why I was singing abo emaweni njalo wamuhle, people were singing along. It shows ukuthi our people are paying attention. We just need to keep on working. Siyafika, understand? Yeah.
And expectations thina njengabalandeli bakaBhila labanye mhlawumbe akade bengalandeli uBhila sebefuqala ukulandela uBhila sikhangeleni umnyaka usasekhona. Are there any live performances coming up? Are there any new music that we are working on? What's happening?
Right, new music mhlaka 15 I'm dropping ingoma entsha celebrating umshado wami, celebrating umuntu wami engiphila laye o inspire zonke ingoma lezi zothando. So it's a big day for me. 15 August I'm dropping a new song. Then Bhila Live in concert is happening on the 2nd of October. Ama details abuya. Then abase Harare Catch Me Live kuShoko Festival on the 23rd of September if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, a lot is going on. Silandeleni kuma socials. Kube kuhle, kube mnandi, umculo wethu uthuthuke. Makuthuthuka thina uBulawayo yathuthuke, understand?
Yeah. And confirm it's Bhila across all social media platforms.
Bhila official on TikTok, Bhila music on TikTok, Bhila official on Twitter, Bhila ku Facebook, BHILA, uBhila ungwalabezi. Bathi vula amehlo ufula indle, sekwenzakala isenzakala esikhulu. Ikemekeme indaba isinda abaphendule dinga amadoda lonqondo ejulileyo mphuma le. Nabo babhile emaguswini amnyama tonight. Ungangiphi mic.
Right, ngicela ukuthi lapha elikhona nxa kule mic uBhila lingamniki.
Yeah.
Kule freestyle yona kumele uyishayele yona. Intro ka Imbila yawusela yakwazi usayazi. Right, that was Bhila, and we're still hunting and we're still catching them just after my performances. So a performance is going on in a business, but we're just gonna catch it now, and hey, we're gonna have fun. Hello, welcome back to Enkundleni exclusive. Agula coffee, agulani. The only thing that's keeping us warm is good music. And right now, Pola Masego, ikati selila leziko la kwami.
Basidlisa imbuya ngothi kanti wayibencindezelo Bulawayo.
Right. Mina vele ngizama introduce umfalo.
Shout out everybody. My name is Butolezwe. I come from Bulawayo. I love you guys. As you can see, I'm in my suit. Ziyakhala. Siku album launch kaMahlaba live impilo. Ziyakhala. I just performed and it was amazing. Sathathu break kancane, but yeah, thank you for having me.
Impilo yakho ibinjani when you're performing? What was the response from the audience? Ngoba namhla siku album launch empilo. Eyakho impilo kathi njani?
Eyami impilo, it was lifing. Impilo ye audience, it was lifing. Everything went well, bro. Like I don't know what to say, bro. Like in America, lapho engivela khona.
Like I remember.
You remember?
Sasisonke mina ngiseDallas.
Yeah, but yeah. Jokes aside, it was an amazing performance. The audience loved it, especially TTI. Ngihamba ngiklempa. Mina manje angiklempa imoto ezipake wrong. Ngiklempa omama abapake wrong. Vele mawupake wrong ani usenjeni.
Uyenza ama accident.
Vele kunzima. And it's coming out on the 21st of August. I'm so excited. Sesiqalisile ukuyipusha. So check it out on my social media platforms. Butholezwe Ntini, Facebook, on TikTok ngubutholezwe_ZA, on Instagram ngubutholezwe_ZA. Yeah, so stuff sangikhona vele sigcwele khona phana kuyafiwa.
Yeah, and less than a year ago, bengilawe studio, and you're saying I'm still knocking on doors, I'm still kicking bricks and whatnot, and Karesi from that time up to now, Mina, I would say, yeah, Karesi manje, Karesi, this is what this guy was talking about. Maybe Mina, my assumption is wrong. Is this what we're talking about?
You know what, bro? Really, when you know what you are destined for greatness, and you are one person who understands ukuthi success is not about ukuthi wena ufuna ize nini, you understand? Into leyane ukuthi uNkulunkulu yena maye secabanga ukuthi uza kubusisa, because success, I mean, I'm destined for it. It's just a matter of time, but I think I'm getting there. I don't know, but I think I'm getting there. uNkulunkulu maye ngibusisa le talent leli likhona, ayi lela angili undermine, angilikhangeleli phansi, angilingabazi italent leli ngilalo. So I feel like mina vele ngangikwazi vele ukuthi kuzayenzakala ukuthi ngizafika kuma stages zona lawo, but kwakumele ngilinde uNkulunkulu aqala abusise, aqala avule iminyango, and yavuleka nje slowly but surely.
Yeah, ngazizwa sesikhuluma ngoThixo uyathi zilungile. Alright, sicobingele le girlfriend yakho.
Yes, baby. Girlfriend yami mntwa ngubaby.
Oh, ibizo lakhe.
Mntwa ngubaby.
Oh, so baby.
How are you, my darling? As in,
that's Butholezwe Ntini akakahlikihla amaginqo coming from the stage, right? So expectations, what do we expect umnyaka ukapheli? Susitshele ukuthi TTI uyaphuma very soon. What else do we expect? Are there any live gigs? Are there any new music coming? What's happening so that sibekwazi ukuthi silandela njani?
bro, I just told you, ziyakhala on the 21st of August. Drop TTI ingoma esihlanyisa wonke umuntu wabona ngakuhlanyisa sokusele uphethe bahlanyisa ngale emahofisini amakhulu on the 21st siya drop TTI, then ngisazolitshela ilanga le album launch, ibutho album, ingoma sezithanda ukuthi ziphele, and ukuphela kwengoma yikho kuzadetermine ukuthi ilanga le launch linini, but I'm so excited vele this year nje ayi ziyakhipha ziyakhala.
Zekhala, right? We're going on and on and on. Kiss them besachisa bengakagodoli. That was Butholezwe Ntini. I'm taking a tea break. I'll be back just now. Yeah. Hello and welcome back to Enkundleni Exclusive. Your boy again, Share Leslie, and we're still here. Lapha sitshela phansi la. Zakhala ngale stage so to keep it cool. Angazi ukuthi ukukhulu kuchona, but it's a word that I got from a performance kamfana umsot. And right now I've got the man himself, and so he had to suck information. Lollipop. What should we expect in a few minutes? You're going on stage. What should we expect from you?
Okwama engakutsho kuphela ukuthi ngiyabaphakulela just umsebenzi omutsha, and I'm just hoping ukuthi lawo bazawujabulela, because I feel that this album is something else that is interesting kubo bonke abantu, because ikhuluma ngempilo general, kunenge okukhulunywa nge-album leyi about impilo, because ikhuluma ukuthi impilo is not just a journey, uhambo lwakho lude, kulento eziningi ezenzakala in between khona lapho, so kumele siku-embrace lathi sizama uku-appreciate kwesikhathi la uzama ukuthi ubone ukuhlanganisa njani elifini ukuthi uphile lawo emhlabeni.
And what's the inspiration okwenza sibili wahlala phansi wathi sembhala i-album yempilo, is it a personal experience, yizinto nje ozibonayo? How did you compile the album uyifake phansi ukuthi look ikwemfuna ukuphakulela abantu?
Some of the things mina nxa like ngifikelwa ingoma wesikhathi, it's about feeling engibalayo, just creating music, and sometimes okunye is personally, okunye into esizibona like emphakathini zenzakala daily basis. So ngathi okuningi kakhulu is just personal. Yeah.
And how long did we take sibheka sithethe isikhathi esingakanani? 2 days ibisishap vele.
Kunithathele 2 years. Most of the time mina ngijala ukuthatha isikhathi sami like angijahe because music yenza ukuthi ngiyiproduce or ngiyinikeze abantu. I-music emfuna last for the lifetime. Ukuthi like ungachecka test music zabo Maji Ivana Don Gumbo. I-music ukuthi even ade sivi nomntwana ozelweyo ungayichayela ungambone idlalisa kulikhande city. So lami ngifuna i-music enjalo not i-bubble gum ebuyiphonga ukuthi iphele nje. So kunithathele 2 years because even the album lami lesi2 ngiliyenza lanthathela almost 2 years. Ngalenza ngo-2020 sali release ngo-2023. So now again ngithethe futhi isikhathi sami from 2023 ngize ngakhipha i-album ngales 2026. Yeah.
And nyakwazi wena ukafiki ngale mina emvela khona abantu babuyile. So what does that say to you about the brand? I know ukuthi the moment you walk on stage you'll be shocked. Abantu bonke laba. What does it say about your brand to see so many people, different races, different tribes, babuyile, just to come and get whatever that's there, knowledge, good music, education. Kuchoni kuwe as a brand, Mahlaba, to have so many people coming to support kuwe, what does it say to you?
I feel appreciated emphakathini if ngithola like uxhaso okunje because sometimes it's hard, as you know that abantu abaningi bahlala sithi ekobulawa supportani, but nxa lami ngithola sizathiwa kule audience enjalo kutshengisa ukuthi engikwenzayo into enjani ebukekayo emphakathini and they appreciate and bafisela ukuthi ngiye phambili. So lami ngiyathembisa ukuthi konke engizathi ngikudeliver staging they are going to be happy about what I'm going to give them. Yeah.
Then before we conclude, this selection I saw you have quite a good lineup. Bila, Mfanomsoto, Butolezwe. How did you select Uguti? I want these people specifically for my album launch. What criteria of selection did you use?
Mina ngisebenzisa like itwama criteria lana. Mina ngisebenzisa talent and looking at talent labo Bila, Buto, Mfanomsoto. Ngikhangela ukuthi ku age group yami we have to uplift each other. So ukuthi sihle sisebenzisane kathesi singakhangela ukuthi maybe siye khachana but asikuqaliseni kuyithi khona apha intanga yethu. Because unga-check i-age yabo sonke siyalingana silingana sinjalo sonke silama talent achine, so let's come together. Ule audience yakho uButho ubhilule audience yakhe ufana usithule audience yakhe lami le audience yami, so bonke labantu abantu singaba combine bonke sebeza follow abantu abangaki abangu-4 at the same time, so singazama ukuphakamisana. I think yikho kudingakalayo.
And the power is collaboration. Ngilabantu abangabuyanga maybe namhlanje because maybe bakhatshana overseas, abanye they are out of the country, abanye bakhona in the country but maybe ukhatshana, abanye babambekile, abanye maybe kwenye event and maybe abasoze bathole i-chance to ukubona i-album launch kaMpilo. Bayithola ngaphi i-album, banika ngaphi i-feedback, where can they buy the music?
Yeah, music here I think it will be ready online by next week. Yabisikhona ku Spotify, Distro, labo bani wonke ama social media platforms yabisikhona. Then for now that I'm going to share it ama flash drives. Anyone oyabefisa ukuthi maybe ethole music ama hard copy sakwanisa ukumnikeza ethenga iflash is $10. Besenzele vinyl these days anje try vinyl siphenduka ama records lana kudala. So now sifuna ukufaka konke khona into esizama ukuyibalekela le CD. Asifuni ma scratch. Asifuni ma scratch.
Right, as fully as scratch, I don't want to belong. The man is preparing to go on stage just now. Abanye bonke bembabamba after the performance, like after a long march. So I decided, let me catch him backstage as I prepare. So this is what is happening. Me na Karezi Ngqal channel ami. I'm going to enjoy good music. catch me after these messages. Maybe I have something nice for you. Angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani kuNonduduzo Art Gallery. We'll hear from her just now. But for now, Tina Leslie is signing out. Salvana
So we
Singalkhanya.
are back again. Sesiphendukile njalo sizolobola khona lapha eBulawayo Art Gallery. Tonight I'm speaking right now. I'm speaking to the beautiful Venda princess.
Kololo wabaleya. Nibe sharp ngamanda. Athi concha sham.
Serious?
Ngamanda.
Yes, ngicela utshela ababukeli your full name.
Okay, dzina langa ndikho Pimetrini noma Thamsanqa Muleya ndikho Bamtetengwa Beitbridge.
Okay.
Uzwile.
I love the way you are introducing yourself. You know
Okay,
the way.
ndimkololo wabaleya.
That's beautiful. That's beautiful.
Thank you.
Sizolobola. Yeah. Ukhangeleleni in this film.
Ngikhangelela ukuthi ngibe fully blown out.
Okay. Okay.
The cast ngokwayo nje iyakhuluma nje so ngiyakwazi ukuthi whatever esizoyibona namhlanje iphekwe isezingeni eliphezulu kakhulu.
So ungakabukeli, which one is your favorite character from the cast? Osuhle wamjabulela before you even watch the movie. Which one is it?
Madam Boss and X the God.
Hey!
The God.
Okay, that's tone. Okay.
Oh,
Alright.
X the God.
All right. Thank you so much. Ukuthi ubuyile siyabonga and you're looking beautiful. You look lovely. Umuhle, usmart. You dressed for the event. Thank you so much.
Othi rikholibuwa mkololo.
Rikholibuwa mkololo.
Babuzi na.